read and learn. Sky is so bright. Smart kids grow with moonlight.
Read and learn, shine so bright. Smart kids grow with moonlight. eSchoolify series, fun and true. Learning dreams for me and you.
Welcome to eSchoolify series.
Assalamualaikum, Sayyida Maryam Naqvi here from the Moonlight International Publishers. Our today's topic is opposites, expected learning outcome. The student is expected to identify and understand opposite words like white, black, up, down, happy, sad. So let's start. Happy, a, purple, y, happy. Sad, full, full. Empty, y, empty. Clean, clean. Dirty, dirty. Clean, dirty. Hot, sun is hot. Hot, cold. Ice cream is cold. Cold. Hot, cold. Tea is hot. Coffee is hot. Sun is hot. Ice cream is cold. Chair is hard. Hard. Soft. Pillow is soft. Soft. Our skin is soft. Nice. Egg, big ball. All small. Big, small. I hope so you understood what is meant by opposite words. Thank you very much and Allah Hafiz.